Carson Smith is a junior at Colonial Heights High School, and a few weeks ago, he thought it was time for some new eyeglasses.
I thought it was just prescription needed renewing.
But once the eye exam began,
Right eye was pretty normal and I covered my left eye. It was like maybe just a little fuzzy.
as the routine eye exam continued,
But then we came to a point where I needed to cover my right eye. I couldn't see the whole chart at all.
and when this popped up on the wall,
Even when they put the big E on there, it was just nothing.
for optometrist Dr. Michael Polo,
He was really comfortable the whole time.
as the eye exam continued,
When he's really not seeing anything out of that eye, then it makes you a little bit nervous.
within hours, phone calls made to specialists for immediate appointments. On Monday, April 7th, an MRI was scheduled. At 16, Carson understood something was happening to his eyesight. He just didn't know what until the MRI results came back.
There's no easy way to break the news that you have a tumor in your brain,
A benign tumor attached to an optic nerve and artery.
which is about the size of a golf ball.
Less than 48 hours later, on Wednesday, Carson admitted to the hospital. Thursday morning, he's in the operating room for a unique procedure.
Yeah, we can go through the sinuses to take the tumor out.
About 3 hours later, the surgery is over.
They took out about 90% of the mass, pretty much to kind of hollow it out to relieve the pressure on the optic nerve.
As for the other 10%,
What there was had adhered to both the optic nerve and the carotid arteries, so taking any of that would risk a permanent blindness or stroke.
3 days later, Carson gets to come home, and his recovery continues to be remarkable. But he does have some advice for students and parents.
I recommend everyone should get regular eye exams.
Just as important as any other specialty and any other doctor, just because you might not know you have an issue. And like in this case,
As for the just turned 17-year-old Carson,
I'm doing pretty well. I'm getting close to feeling normal, which is pretty crazy for about 2 weeks ago having brain surgery.
while Carson is on the road to recovery, he has months of follow-up visits with doctors. He does say that his vision has improved slightly, but he is grateful that his goal of becoming a meteorologist is still on track. That's a look inside Wayne's World. I'm Wayne Koval, CBS 6 News.